Now after it opens, we normally go to kernel and we will start it ourselves. And we wait it a bit. And here we are. Now what we want to do is to make the line graph for the ID against years. So number of themes against years is what we want. But remember, a bit earlier we talked about the number of years, whereby there was years which were not complete. There are years which were taken in count of, but they had no data, and our graph dropped dramatically. So to avoid that, we are still going to apply minus that year that was almost uh, included without data, and also we are going to make it good. So as we did, this is what we did, and we plot the now we are plotting the themes by year, which is the themes by year, and we declared it here, themes by year, and we get group those years and aggregate the number of themes, and getting that meaning total number, which is this one, this one, this one, this one. So now, and then we take away the 2, meaning minus 2 years, because when you look at it, it is saying at the almost at the end of the year 2021, not 2020 but 2020, we got some kind of 2020, not 2021, but 2021 at October there, there was something, but it goes even to 2022, which is not true. So we remove those years like this. Themes by year, we remove the 2. And the themes by index, we remove the 2 to get our clean. Okay, let's go and try it.